I'm chasing the dreams, that's how my chance to you. Pull up in a 4-5, rocking them Jordan 5. Watch the hood come alive, zero to hero, story of my life. Repping the ghetto child, I make the ghetto smile, and I'm here for a while. All I wanna be is a hero to another kid. Spana guzolo my bitch, mind your own business. And if you fall, get back on some other Fede bazo pazamis, ungabanagi. I'll be on the grind working for my people. Little kids know me as the hero. Rest in peace, great Steve Biko. I was trapped in kilos, now we adding zeros. Without you, I'm nothing.
That's why you never catching niggas sober. Hot boxing till the spliff is over. I'm never scared, got no pistol on me. Grappa fasa babale. Start rolling up the cage. Grappa fasa babale. Start rolling up the cage. When I rap, I overflow. And my swag is on overload. Came to your gig and I stole the show. MT a hustler, you already know. She used to ride me like a rodeo, till she heard me on the radio. Where we at? Why you hating though? Stop hanging with these lame-o. Ihautiako ineskoroko. Kutenu tomanditi mologo. Surel Andreu passa solo mo. God help, call me solo mo. If you trippin', leave the alone. That's why you never catch him niggas sober. Hot boxing till the spliff is over.
I'm never scared, got no pistol.
What I do? I just pulled up because Sinabangani by me swag on 100 at the corner store with all my partners on the grind. Holla if you want it. Ay. Now they looking at me funny, like I shouldn't be getting this money. Now they looking at me funny, like I shouldn't be getting this money. At 1.25, sip, scoop a few times. 2 joints in my pocket, that's because a young nigga too fly. You don't know where I bees at, I'm just minding my beeswax. Steady counting up these stacks, hella bars, C-Max. Asikis kati sokjola, manje sengfuna madola. Uyashisa mtoko pola, ngobi streama lana ungasithola. So much dough, I'm tryna spend it at the corner store. Max out, then I make some move. I bust on Yahtzee anymore. Yeah, I'm talking about. Yeah. I just ran up the money, now they looking at me funny when they know I'm hustling. OGs put me on cause they know I keep it 100. And they don't underestimate me no more. I'm the one that tell the shooter, see who's at the